It's the early 2000s in Sangvi, Pune. As the afternoon sun goes down, a small ground in the neighborhood is filled with people getting ready for their evening tennis ball cricket. What stands out in the group is the youngest of them all, a 3-year-old boy batting against his father. He's wearing pads and gloves that are big for his age, but the same cannot be said about his natural gift for stroke play. The toddler would make a name for himself in the neighborhood of Sangvi, Chota Tendulkar. This is the story of Ruturaj Gaikwad, Sangvi's Chota Tendulkar, who would go on to become Chennai's Super King. Ruturaj was born in a middle-class family to parents who had absolutely no connect to cricket. His father, Dashrath Gaikwad, worked in the DRTO before retiring recently, while his mother, Savita Gaikwad, still works as a teacher in a Pune government school. It is through them that Rutu took his first steps in cricket. But more importantly, it is here that he learnt qualities that would stay with him for life.
I'm your captain, Ruturaj Gaikwad, and this is my story.
At the age of 3 only, we gifted him at the time of his birthday. As usual, like other parents only, we gifted him cricket related some plastic waste. We are not having any cricket background. So in house only we were doing the practice. मैं उसको bowling करता था. Then उसका mother was as a keeping role. Then my daughter Anuja, she was doing the fielding. Actually हमारे घर के बाजू में एक छोटा सा ग्राउंड था गवर्नमेंट का ही. वो ग्राउंड में हम बाकी के बच्चों जैसा हम लोग भी, मैं भी उसको लेके जाता था खेलने के लिए. तो वो टाइम थोड़ा उसका खेल देख के, शायद कुछ लोग तो थोड़ा एक्सपर्ट रहते हैं ना ऑन द ग्राउंड, तो वो लोग बोलते थे यार ये तो थोड़ा शायद तेंदुलकर बनेगा, अभी तो छोटा तेंदुलकर है. वो छोटा तेंदुलकर ही है. सब लोग सांगी वाला उसको छोटा तेंदुलकर करके पुकारते थे वो टाइम में.
But I was the only one where I used to play with that leather ball, having the pads and all. I was looking very small that time, wearing helmet and all everything. So it was fascinating for all those people who were playing around there. Then slowly, all those people used to come and field for me. I used to hit shots, they used to field for me and all. So that's how maybe that name got spread.
With every passing birthday, the cricket gifts and interest in the sport increased. Young Rutu could hardly be spotted without a bat or a ball. Broken tube lights, dirty walls, the Gaikwad family saw it all. Enrolling Ruturaj in a cricket academy was the next natural progression. Little did the Gaikwads realize then that it would be a life-altering journey. In just his 8th standard, the family had to make a huge career choice: to continue in a school that was centered around academics, or shift to a school that would allow him more time for cricket. Tough decisions for a family with a teacher mom.
जब वो 8वीं कक्षा में गया तो उसका खेलने की वजह से थोड़ा स्कूल में थोड़ा कम हो गया उसका जाना, उधर खेलने को जाने के. तो उसको बोल दिया तू खेलेगा क्या स्कूल में जाएगा, दोनों में से क्या करना है तेरे को, ज़्यादा किसको प्रायोरिटी देगा. तो उसने उस समय, वो तो 13 साल का था, 8वीं कक्षा में था, वो उसको सवाल पूछने के इमीडिएटली उन्होंने बता दिया कि मेरे को क्रिकेट खेलना है.
हमारा ऑफिस एरिया में भी ऑलमोस्ट ऑल माय कलीग्स वेर वेरी हाईली एजुकेटेड, मीन्स IIT पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट वगैरह. वो ऑफिस में भी थोड़ा सुनने को मिलता था कि मेरा बेटा M.Tech कर रहा है, मेरा बेटा डॉक्टर हो रहा है, जर्मन गया, यूरोप गया, जापान गया. तो वो थोड़ा मेरे सामने नहीं लेकिन थोड़ा बाजू में से बात होता था कि हमारा इसमें ग्रुप में शायद गायकवाड़ ही फेल्योर है।
तो हमने उनको फ्री दिया, खेलना है तो खेल सकते हैं, देखेंगे क्या हो जाएगा, वो संभालेंगे और होगा करियर हो जाएगा, नहीं हो जाएगा तो फिर कुछ भी करेंगे, देखा जाएगा।
तो आउन में एक बहुत बढ़िया क्लास, वेल नोन क्लास था नज़दीकी आउन, तो हम लोग उधर एडमिशन ले लिया, कुछ सम 20,000 कुछ तो फीस था, वो भर के आया। और ऋतुराज को बोला मैं खाली एकेडमी में मैं आएगा उधर थोड़ा 5:30 या 6 o'clock, तो थोड़ा चुपके से जल्दी आ जाने का, हम लोग क्लास डायरेक्टली अटेंड करेंगे। लेकिन 3-4 दिन के बाद थोड़ा सा एकेडमी से मैसेज आया कि ही इज़ बॉर्न फॉर क्रिकेट एंड नॉट फॉर स्टडी। और क्लास में भी ऑलवेज ही वॉज फर्स्ट ही रहता था। सो वो स्टडी का भी उसको कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं, ओनली थोड़ा सा बिकॉज ऑफ उसका खेल।
It's not true, definitely for sure. Every mom dad do say that you know my son is good at studies and all. He was always coming first and all. That's completely lie. I can definitely say I never came first and all. It was more of like coming in top 10 and all. Just being a good average student. Nothing like topper and all, something like nothing.
First in academics or not, there was no questioning Rutu's dedication to the sport he so dearly loved. Here's visual evidence. His childhood cricket diary with senior Gaikwad has preserved so dearly. It is a detailed coaching manual, a self-assessment form, and so much more.
जैसे भी यानी उनके वर्ड्स में जो भी उनको याद रहता है उस वर्ड में आपको लिखना है, सो दैट कुछ साल के बाद या फिर कुछ महीनों के बाद वो पढ़े, अगर कुछ उसका समझो लीन पीरियड है या फिर उसको कॉन्फिडेंस थोड़ा सा डाउन है, तो वो अगर डायरी पढ़ेगा तो उसको कुछ ना कुछ तो पॉजिटिव मिलेगा कि यार हाँ मैंने कई साल पहले ये अच्छा किया था।
There were only a couple of players who used to keep it daily. One of them was Ruturaj, and so he used to go home after his practice and like he used to maintain his diary really well. And on there was a day, on Friday we used to submit those diaries, and he was the only guy who used to submit on time, and it was like properly like analytical. It was about he at that point of time he used to do those SWOT analysis, he used to maintain about his strength and weaknesses.
जो भी अच्छा करता है उस वीक में उस बच्चे को चॉकलेट देते थे, तो वो रैपर सब वो बराबर उधर पेश करते थे।
Many, I don't remember, but yeah, there were many chocolates. Still missed out on a lot. Sometimes like you don't get a chocolate, sit back on a motorbike. Obviously dad was riding, and then you try and stick it there itself. You eat it and you stick it there itself. Sometimes it just goes off by the wind, sometimes it just goes here and there, sometimes you lose it. I think that habit really continued where maybe I left off the diary, but I still write somewhere, where on an iPad or in a mobile or whatever place I get, I do take the time off to just reflect.
While Rutu made progress on the field, the family played their part silently. His father took him to grounds across Pune, meticulously collected newspaper cuttings and motivated him with books on Sachin Tendulkar and other sportsmen.
So that time this article was in the DNA paper in Pune on 23rd 2nd 2009. So that time that reporter, I don't know the exact name, he has compared the Ruturaj's batting style with Brian Lara, VVS Lakshman, Rahul Dravid, Grammy Pollock, David Gower, Brian Lara, then VVS Lakshman, Saurabh Ganguly, amongst others. But 12 years old, Ruturaj Gaikwad has already began to show sign of making an honest effort to reach the highest scale by the stalwarts.
While mother and the elder sister did what most mothers do, taking care of Ruturaj's needs and shaping him into being a calm, grounded personality.
एक दिन तो उसको स्कूल में डाला था दूसरा, तो उसको पैदल जाना पड़ता था, बहुत से पैदल 2-3 किलोमीटर। उसके बाद बस में फिर पैदल आना पड़ता था सांगवी से इधर। तो वो उधर आ गया मेरे पास और बोला कि ये इधर जाना पड़ता है, इधर आके पड़ता है, बहुत टाइम जाता है। तो मैंने सिर्फ उसको कुछ नहीं कहा, उसको ऐसा लगता था कि मैं गाड़ी में जा सकता हूँ शायद। तो मैंने सिर्फ उसको बता दिया मैं कैसे जाती हूँ, मेरा भी स्कूल उधर ही था। एक ही क्वेश्चन मैंने पूछा सिर्फ, मैं कैसे जाती हूँ। मैं उसी तरह से जाती थी जिस तरह से वो जाता था। तो उसके बाद उसने कभी भी नहीं कहा कि मेरे को गाड़ी चाहिए, मेरे को कुछ तकलीफ होती है।
बोल तो रहा था मैं, लर्न ड्राइविंग।
पहले तो ऋतु का जन्म ही हम तो सोच रहे थे, क्योंकि हम दोनों जॉब करते थे, संभालने के लिए उनकी माँ थी। उनकी माँ गुजर जाने के बाद कोई नहीं था। तो हम सोच सोच के बहुत से उनको में बहुत डिस्टेंस है, 8 साल का डिस्टेंस है उनकी बहन और उसमें। वो उसको तीसरी कक्षा में उनको वो 8 साल की थी, 9 साल की, तब से वो ऋतुराज को संभाल रही थी। वो ऋतुराज की देखभाल कर रही थी, माँ समान उसने उसका सब देखभाल किया।
True, I think my sister, she was I think more of my mom only. I wouldn't rate that she did any less sacrifices for me than what mom did. I think it would be on an equal level, where at that stage where more than your personal growth or looking after yourself, for her it was more like looking after me.
The disciplined, sincere Ritu at home had another side to his personality in his teens. The naughty prankster, who not just got his friends into trouble, but enjoyed their misery as well.
वो शरारती था, वो शरारती है और वो शरारती रहेगा. He has that kind of humor in him where he finds it funny if it troubles the people who are close to him. So there have been instances like where we've been on tour. We as a group of 4 or 5 people, we used to never be on time. The call time was on 8:30. We used to wake up at 8 o'clock and all. But what he used to do, he used to get ready. He used to wake up early. He used to get ready. So we used to go and have a bath, and he used to take our clothes and he used to hide it. So just to have those kind of scolding from our coaches that not being on time and all. So he used to find it funny, and he still does it now.
Now that everyone is grown up, everyone are a little bit busy into their lives. I just picked one story from one of my friend, and I just completely revert it and pass it out to someone else that I heard you are talking this about this thing, so what's happening, what are you doing? Then he is asking me that who told you, and I'm like yeah, this guy told me. So I'm off the call and they are more fighting. Then when we all meet together, they are still into that topic where I just lit that one fire into them. So it still happens a lot. People in our group, they don't really speak to each other for months because of that misunderstanding. And I still love to continue that. It's not that I want to unite them, but I want to tear them apart a little bit more, and when they meet, then kind of consolidate them and then have that time together.
Being the consistent batter that he is, Ruturaj represented Maharashtra in every age category. But the journey did have its roadblocks. Despite impressive performances, Ruturaj was not in the India squad for the Under-19 World Cup. He could not make it to the 11 in his first year for the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy. And when he finally made his debut for Maharashtra in the Ranji Trophy, a broken finger ruled him out.
Then after he was selected for the Ranji Trophy. So that day we were waiting for the debut. So I think that match was with Jharkhand. From other side, Dhoni sir was the mentor of the Jharkhand team. Very late night, same day we come to know that with the Varun Aaron's ball, he was hit with to the finger. So he was very nervous. So he was requesting, literally he was rowing that anyhow you cure this my injury. Within 4-5 days I have to join. Somehow he agreed to go for surgery. Then that Ranji season he could not play.
ग्रेट स्टोरीज या ग्रेट प्लेयर्स है ना, उनका स्टोरीज हमेशा कमबैक स्टोरीज रहता है. सो ही इज़ अ मैन ऑफ कमबैक्स. वो ना हमेशा स्ट्रांगली कमबैक करता है. कभी भी फेल्योर आ गया ना तो उसके बाद का ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ वो हमेशा एक लेवल अप रहता है, तो वो वैसा ही है पहले से। और वो ज़्यादा बोलता नहीं, लेकिन उसके दिमाग में पूरा रहता है। अगर किसी बॉलर ने उसको कुछ बोला है तो वो कुछ रिएक्ट नहीं करेगा, लेकिन अगले इनिंग में दिखाएगा हु इज द बॉस।
If someone sledges me, I'm more than happy to not say anything. But if I'm the captain and if someone is sledging at my teammates, then I'm not someone who can hold back. So I'm more of like fighting for them. You know, if you want to sledge someone, you sledge me and not someone who has not played that much or who's young. But personally, if anyone sledges me, then I'm more than happy to reply with a smile.
वो जब 16 था तो 19 के नेट्स में मैंने उसको बैटिंग दिया था और मैं भी बॉलिंग कर रहा था, तो मैंने उसको बोल्ड किया। तो उसके बाद उसने हर बॉल मेरे तरफ मारा था जोर से, तो उसके बाद उसने यानी वो कभी आउट नहीं हुआ, लेकिन वो जो डिटर्मिनेशन था ना, विकेट लिया, मैंने विकेट लिया, वो उसको पसंद नहीं था बिल्कुल भी, वो एज में भी।
बोल्ड वगैरह नहीं लिया था, बीट हुआ था जस्ट, उसमें भी रिएक्टेड वेयर like you got beaten to me. He only degraded himself where he's like, I'm old, how can you get beaten to me, something like that. So I got more offended and I started hitting at him. He didn't took any wicket and all. That's completely fake.
Every sportsman has a career-defining turning point. The 2019 IPL player auction was that moment for ऋतुराज Gaikwad. Chennai Super Kings got only 2 players in that auction. They wouldn't have known then that the one they picked at base price would be their future leader.
Our scouting team consisting of Sharath and Sunil Vyas, all of them were watching domestic cricket, and the feedback we got from mostly Sharath was that here is one player who is going to be the future, and if you're looking at a future player for CSK, you should look at ऋतुराज. So that is how we thought we will go in for Ritu in the auction, and we got him in the best price.
2019 was our 1.5 year of relationship, and we were so excited that he got this opportunity to be around such people, share the dressing room with such legends of the game, and he learnt a lot. Just by being there, he learnt a lot of things, and the way he used to tell me with the excitement in his eyes was a very different thing I have ever seen. Like, he has never ever told me so excitedly about anything else rather than PS. When he beats someone, he's like, oh my god, that excitement, I saw it in his eyes.
Over the next few years, ऋतुराज would go on through a roller coaster ride in cricket. Lows of COVID and nervous beginnings in IPL would give way to the highs of orange caps and title victories.
10-15 days it was still fine, but after that I was pretty much desperate because I had a good India season as well, and I had spoken to the CSK management as well, where they kind of had conveyed to me that I might play this year.
COVID, that 29 days of quarantine were very difficult. He was in a room doing God knows what.
We used to talk a lot during that point of time because it was some kind of a bad phase to be in. And after talking, he used to always say that the sun is going to shine again.
So sweet of him. No, actually, right, COVID time, I think with him there were 3-4 more friends where they actually spend a lot of time with me. He was someone who I used to talk during daytime. He used to give me 2-3 hours of his day, just talk whatever it is. You know, sometimes he just used to listen. Then there were 2-3 friends again where one used to just stay overnight I wasn't able to sleep early, maybe sleep at 2-3 a.m. in the night. We used to play games on mobile, multiplayer games, and also he used to be there up late night with me as well.
Very special, goosebumps. I got goosebumps. It's very special. That was the very special moment. I remember him calling me from the stadium after, winning, and it was all surreal. Oh my God, I did it. We actually lifted the cup. So he was like, I had never imagined I will be in the CSK's winning team, and I was like, I hope someday I will be with you when CSK wins the title once again, and that happened in 2023.
What they manifested over a phone call in 2021 would become a reality 2 years later in an epic night in Ahmedabad.
Divorcing with Devin Conway, getting married.
We were in the midst of planning our own wedding, so I was just coming here, going there, and I didn't have too much time, and I was planning his bit also because there was so many things, and then there was this final which got extended because of rain for 3 days. My family was on gas that time because they were like, your festivities should have started by now you're still there at Ahmedabad, and I was like, dude, our wedding can wait. It's final. It's IPL final. My God, that 6 and that boundary from Jadubai was amazing. I remember everyone in the family area, we were just jumping, crying. I don't know what was happening. People were slipping, and it was crazy.
Bigger things awaited Ruturaj after IPL 2023. First was an off-field development.
He is romantic also, but he is very practical. Like, if we are dating, we will end up getting married. That was in his mind from, I think, 1 year after we started dating.
अजून एक गोष्ट एक आहे की ऋतुराज जरी चेन्नईचा कॅप्टन आहे, इंडियाचा कॅप्टन पण तो आहे, पण घरी तो 12th मॅन सारखाच असतो. त्याचं घरी काही चालत नाही. जे काही सगळं आहे ते उत्कर्षा जसं म्हणते तसं तो करतो, आणि त्या बाबतीत ही इज व्हेरी स्मार्ट. ही इज अ येस मॅन, अँड आय होप he'll always be a yes man and don't try to like fiddle into things.
अरे म्हणजे हे सगळं सांगायची गरज नव्हती. ठीक आहे, तू ब्राउनी पॉईंट्स दिले मला त्याच्याबद्दल थँक्यू. बट जेव्हा तुझं पण लग्न होईल तेव्हा तुलाही कळतील रियालिटी काय आहे काय नाही. अँड म्हणजे इट इज समथिंग वेअर आय लाईक टू डू दॅट. आय लाईक टू गिव्ह हर द ownership. I like to give her that honor to do the things, choose the things she wants to do. Wow, nice view.
Yeah.
Where do you want to sit?
Let's sit where I usually sit when you're playing, okay?
Do whatever she wants, take that decisions, and I'm more than happy to just say yes to all the things. So this is something which I guess through times I have learned, and I hope that I have passed the experience to you as well, and you'll naturally learn that as well as you grow elder.
No, it's so basically everyone, he likes to show that to everyone that I am the captain, but anything happens in the house, I have it goes through him. So whatever I get in the house, or whatever happens, or what menu has to be, it is around him. So everything around in the house revolves around him. So he lets me think that I am the captain, but basically he is handling all the strings, and I'm just a puppet who goes and fetches things for him.
And then came the big on-field development. Ruturaj Gaikwad, captain Chennai Super Kings.
Flem as well as skipper had the confidence that Rutu will be the right choice, and based on his performance they felt that he will be a very good choice because of his qualities as a player and how he could also move with the other players in the team. And he was watching MS from close quarters, so that gave him the confidence. I think it was the decision only taken by MS and Flem, and it was announced at the last moment. The management was not aware of it, but they took the right decision.
One day he comes up to me and he's like, say hi. I'm like, say hi to who? Say hi to the captain. I was like, what? Oh, you're kidding me. It's fine, it's fine. You don't have to joke about it. It's okay. One day it'll happen, but now, not now. We were not expecting it. Like, I was not expecting it. Maybe he was, I don't know. Then we called up his friends. I was like, I want to tell you something. And one of the friend goes like, please don't tell me that you're pregnant. Like, dude, no. That's not big. It's bigger than this. I was like, let's make it a little dramatic. So I was like, meet the captain of CSK, and they were like shocked for 5 minutes.
He has been watching MS right through his career, and I think he has imbibed some of his qualities, and moreover he has his own self-confidence and his own mind how to take the team forward. I think he will be a very good bet for us as a skipper.
I'll ask you one question. Do you remember the first game after announcing that he's the captain and he went for the toss? He said, I'm not here to fill in the shoes. I'm here with my own shoes or something like that. So he is very clear that, so Mahibhai is someone who is very big and his legacy cannot be carried on forward because it's his legacy, right? So Rutu is here with his own character and he's trying to, put in his element and trying to be himself. So I am really proud of him for doing that.
He's the captain of CSK, and frankly speaking, we as a group, we just could not believe it. Just an unbelievable feeling, right? And he was super calm about it. He just said, "हाँ मला मी captain होणार आहे आता CSK चा." His voice was so like calm, and I was like, if any person other than you would have been there, he would have danced his heart out, he would have screamed his heart out, He took it as a responsibility. He did not took it as a celebratory note. He felt that there's an added responsibility, and once I achieve the responsibilities given to me, that is where the celebration would start. So it wasn't the end game for him, and actually what I remember that he told me, hitna process start hote.
There's another Gaikwad who came from Maharashtra and won Tamil Nadu's heart, which is Rajnikant sir, as everyone knows. But I think this Gaikwad is a bit different because Tamil Nadu has won his heart over and he's just trying to, reciprocate their love right now.
He abuses in that kind of manner only, he talks in that way only, so there's nothing's changed.
आज भी ऐसा नहीं है कि अरे यार मैं कुछ हूँ ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ सीएसके का कैप्टन इंडिया प्लेयर, ऐसा एटीट्यूड उसके चलने में भी नहीं दिखता.
ऐसी चीज है. अभी भी वो घर पे आ गया तो हमें भी नहीं लगता कि ये इतना बड़ा सीएसके का कैप्टन है. आता है, पूछता है, बात करता है. हर माँ को अपना बेटा कितना भी बड़ा हो छोटा हो, हर माँ को बेटा सिर्फ बेटा ही होता है.
We are surrounded with such people who keep us grounded, and me and Rutu, we try to keep each other grounded because at the end of the day we are just normal people, and I love that about him, that I don't have to deal with the glamorous side of Ruturaj. It's like Ruturaj is Ruturaj for me.
तो सभी ने उसका जो जर्नी है देखा, तो हमें भी ऐसा लग रहा है अभी कि ये कैसा हम कर पाए। तो लेकिन कोई भी बात खुशी से अगर आनंद से करते हैं तो उसके कठिनाई कुछ भी नहीं लगती।
Ungal Anbudan, Ruturaj Gaikwad.